Welcome to the DragStat how-to video series. In this video, you will learn how to install DragStat 2024 on your computer. DragStat software is freely available on the internet for download. Just open your browser and go to dragstat.com. Click the Product Trial menu. Enter your name and email address. Then click the I am not a robot checkbox. Click Download Demo. Watch for the download to start in the upper right corner of your browser. Older browsers may show the download at the bottom of the window. When the download completes, click on it to launch the installer. Windows may warn you about an unrecognized app harming your computer. If so, click the More Info link in the dialog. Then click Run Anyway. Click the Install button. Click Yes to allow this app to make changes to your device if prompted by Windows. Once the install is complete, close the installer. Launch DragStat from the newly created icon on the desktop. DragStat is in demo mode until you purchase the software. Demo mode allows you to enter up to 5 runs, and you will have to enter weather readings manually. Click Continue with Demo to begin using the software. That concludes this video. Be sure to check out other DragStat how-tos and tutorials to learn about all of the features of DragStat. Thanks for watching.